next task inside the Cybersecurity 101 learning path and the offensive security tooling module is the SQLMap, the basics. We have the SQLMap, a tool that we used before. And task number 1 is the introduction, SQL injection. So we'll use SQLMap for a SQL injection vulnerability. What is a SQL injection? It's a prevalent vulnerability and has long been a hot topic in cybersecurity. To understand this vulnerability, we must first learn what a database is and how websites interact with a database. You just search by SQL or database keywords under my channel and you will find videos. A database is a collection of data that can be stored, modified, and retrieved. It stores data from several applications in a structured format, making storage modifications. And I mean, we know what's a database, right? There are two types, structured and unstructured. Key value pair. Structured is SQL, basically. You heard of Oracle SQL, PostgreSQL, and unstructured that are MongoDB, for example. We can see here, I can see that they say now we know that the website asks the database to retrieve, store, or modify any data. So how does this interaction take place? The database are managed in a DBMS, such as MySQL. Yeah, so DBMS is the software. Let's see, Microsoft, these systems understand the SQL query language. Yeah, so basically the DBMS is the software that creates, stores, modifies, deletes, and the SQL is the language, the syntax. So any application or website uses SQL query when interacting with a DB. Yeah, just a simple demonstration over here. We also see the data that is moving between the systems, and you can see the little pop-ups from the user that has a search query with ID 1, goes to the server has the query to the database, and the database server returns back with records that we requested to the web server, and web server responds to us. Learning objectives: SQL injection vulnerability, enhance SQL injection through the SQLMap tool. Prerequisites: SQL fundamentals. If you search also by this key term, you will find videos on the math channel. Answer the question below. Which language? The language, as I said, it's SQL. We already seen this. This is the language, the syntax that the DBMS uses.